Hey everyone, how y'all doing? Got a nice, cool little knife to look at today. And it's a James Brand knife. It's the Elko. This is OD green, black G10 straight. And my son bought this, so he brought it over, to let me look at it and do a video on. But yeah, it's a pretty cool little knife. But yeah, open it up. You got their kind of little mission statement, limited lifetime warranty, customer service email, warranty, all that. Designed in Portland, Oregon. These are made in China. You get a sticker, the jamesbrand.com, and the knife's in this little cardboard cutout. But behind here comes with a titanium split ring, so you could hook it on there, hook it on your keychain. But yeah, this thing is super light. You can hardly even feel it. So that's cool. Let's get this stuff out of the way. Let's check this little fella out. It's pretty nice. Fit and finish on this little guy is excellent. Everything's flush. Can't hardly even feel it. The other thing you can notice, the texture on the G10, then it's like it's smooth. And the hardware does have Torx head screws. I believe they're T6s. That's a T8, T6. Yeah, I believe they are T6. This one's kind of buggered up, but that's nice. You can actually take it apart, clean it. But yeah, let's check the blade out. Nice little drop point. It's black coated. I'm not sure how it's coated. Have a nail nick hole right here to open. It is a slip joint, if I didn't mention that. The pull on it, man, the pull is really good. I don't know what to give it. 7.5 maybe. Half stop. Yeah, and the back spring it's pretty strong. I mean, that takes a lot to do that. Plus, has a half stop. The thing is, the handle's so short, your hand's going to be up here anyways. But if you're holding back a little bit, half stop would save you. But I don't think you'd have to worry too much about that, because that's pretty strong. Yeah, 12C, 27 Sandvik steel, drop point, flat grind, G10 scales. Pretty nice. Got a little texture to it, not overly rough. Enough for you get a good grip on this little guy. Does ride on phosphor bronze washers. Got a back spacer, and this is a pretty cool part of it. You can put that titanium key ring, split ring on here to carry on your keychain. Put a lanyard on it. Lanyard might be cool. Give it a little more something to hold on to. Or it can be used as a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, a little pry tool. That's pretty nice. On the website, it says bottle opener. I don't know how you use this bottle opener, but I'm sure there's a way to do it. Yeah, and the back spring and that part's made out of 2CR13. is what it says. So no liners, just the G10 scales, but you have that back spring here. So yeah, it's a solid, and barely can flex that. It's a solid little knife. Like I said, you know, fit and finish is excellent. Absolutely everything smooth. The edges, the inner edge of the G10, not sharp. You can see it's chamfered all the way around. I'd love to have a bigger version of this, you know, with a, I don't know, 2.5-inch blade or 3-inch blade. Slip joint just like this. I think that'd be pretty cool. Measurements. So you got overall length from tip of blade to the end of the G10. It's 4 inches. To the end of the tool on the end is 4.25 inches. Blade is about almost 1 3/4. Say like 1.7374. Handle is overall about 2.6, a little over 2.5. That's here to the end of that. G10 is about 2 5/16. So like I said, it's little. I get about 2.5 fingers. My ring finger's kind of wrapping around this a little bit, but pretty awesome knife to have on a keychain or fifth pocket. Got a nice sharp blade. See, I got a little piece of paper. This is pretty used up. Yeah, that comes pretty sharp. Grind looks pretty good. Both sides look even. Don't know what this thing weighs. I'm in grams. 1 ounce. I get 1 ounce. I'm not even sure that's right. Doesn't even feel like an ounce. Blade stock. Is 0.075. Pretty thin. Like I said, it's a flat grind. The height of the blade, width of the blade is 1/2 inch, just a little over 1/2 inch. Thickness of the handle, 0.313, and the width or height over 1/2 inch is 0.654. Yeah. Cool little knife. Not cheap. This thing on the website's listed at $59. I don't know. I'm not sure what he actually paid. If he paid that or what he did, but yeah, check it out. T6 screws, like I said, hardware. Got the James logo right there on the back. Must be a model number. Then the steel, 12C27. Very nice built little slip joint. I definitely like it. I don't know if me personally would pay $60. It's got a sharpening choil. That's excellent. How many knives don't even do that? A lot of spectacles don't have a sharpening choil. But yeah, thought I'd show you guys this little fella and let me know in the comments what you think of something like this. First time I've ever handled a James Brand knife. And I gotta say, if there are other knives of this level of quality, they gotta be pretty nice. But yeah, guess that's it for this one. That's a pretty cool little guy. 1 ounce. So if it's on your keychain, you know, 1 ounce plus that snap ring, or not snap ring, the split ring, titanium split ring that weighs nothing. It probably wouldn't even register on my scale. That's a pretty good little keychain knife for sure. But yeah, I guess that's it for this. Just wanted to show it to you. You know, do the usual like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. And until the next video, bye.